So hello guys, you are welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at Bitcoin, right, or BTC. Bitcoin is currently at the $70,000 level. We are currently ranked at number one with a market cap of about 1.38 trillion dollars. We have a 24-hour volume of about $31 billion, and today we are going to be looking at what is our weekly uh basically our weekly bull market update, which we love to do on the channel, right? So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So cumulatively this week, we have seen Bitcoin push about 5.7%, and for this month in total, we have seen Bitcoin push about 22%, right? And so without further ado, let us push to the chart. One of the charts we have been basically just looking at right here was the Bitcoin versus the USD dollar chart. We're on the weekly time frame, and we have drawn our Fibonacci price prediction uh, uh, line, right? And we have drawn a Fibonacci price prediction line. As you can see right here from the bottom, we have been saying since 2022 that we were expecting price to come into this golden pocket, the 0.682. As you can see, prices came exactly to that place. And for Bitcoin, we have overshot across the golden pocket, which is currently at the 682. We are currently at the 1 Fibonacci level right here, basically consolidating. As you can see, if we just zoom this forward, as you can see, we came above, got rejected, and currently we are seeing this sort of massive push to the upside. Our next major target right here, which could happen in April, could be the 1.236 right here, which is currently would be around the $83,000 level right here for Bitcoin. So basically that's our next level. We have been bullish right here from the $25,000 level, especially when we were confirming that this was a bottom on the channel. And so we have been uh, bullish, expecting Bitcoin to set new highs. And as you can see, we are on the way to that, right? So some other informations right here, which we have been looking at also, is the Bitcoin rainbow chart, right? On the Bitcoin rainbow chart, as you can see, every time we came to blue, that was a fire sale, right? As you can see, blue buy, basically a fire sale. Bitcoin is dead, right? And as you can see right here, we got a fire sale in 2020. In 2012, we got another fire sale in basically 2016. We saw another fire sale right there in 2019. Saw another fire sale in basically 2020, and our last fire sale right here, basically Bitcoin was basically, we even entered Bitcoin is basically dead rigid right here in 2022. And basically we were saying some of these things on the channel that this was a good time to accumulate, right? So when do we see tops in Bitcoin? So tops are in between this, as you can see, maximum bubble territory, which is the first red, sell, seriously sell, right? This is the second place, FOMO intensifies, right? So we usually bottom in between these three rainbow colors, as you can see right here, 1, 2, 3, we bottomed, 1, 2, 3, we bottom right here, right? FOMO intensifies, right? We bottom, sorry, we topped. So we usually topped in between these three rainbow patterns. Let's get this to full screen so that you can see it. So we usually bottom in between these three rainbow patterns, as you can see right here, which we have been saying. Let's use this one below. That looks like a better chart. So one thing we usually saw right here, as you can see, that we usually bottom in between these 1, 2, 3 rainbow patterns, right? And those rainbow patterns basically are the maximum bubble territory, the sell or the FOMO. As you can see, maximum bubble, sell, FOMO, maximum bubble, sell, FOMO, right? So we usually bottom around these areas, and currently right here uh, for Bitcoin, we are currently in the whole territory. We are not even close to the top, which means we basically are still expecting higher price targets right here for Bitcoin, right? So as you can see, every single time after the Bitcoin halving, if we just get this off the screen, every single time after the Bitcoin halving, we have seen a massive push to the upside, right? Basically, same thing right here. Bitcoin halving, This chart is messing up. So Bitcoin halving, right? We have seen this massive push to the upside. Same thing, second Bitcoin halving. We saw this sort of massive push to the upside. Third both Bitcoin halving, we saw this massive push to the upside, and this is the first time in history where we are getting to the hold region before the Bitcoin halving. But that still doesn't change that we are not even very close to the top, and we could see Bitcoin pushes high as these are first three levels, which we said we usually see topping signals at. As you can see, every time we were at the top, we're at the maximum bubble, sell or FOMO, maximum bubble, sell, FOMO, maximum bubble, sell, FOMO, maximum bubble, sell, FOMO, maximum bubble, sell. We saw this top right here at the sell, and we are not even close to the maximum bubble, sell or FOMO. We are not close to that levels, and we probably would see those levels this year after the Bitcoin halving, right? So that is something to take into consideration, that after the Bitcoin halving, we usually have seen this sort of massive push to the upside, and we probably could see another massive push to the upside right here for Bitcoin. Even though our fear and greed index right here and Bitcoin continues to show that Bitcoin basically is in extreme greed, as you can see right here, 80 over 100 as regards the fear and greed index, which shows that we are in extreme greed, right? So basically this was the same feeling where we had when we were at the top. So we probably could see some sort of retracement, because we are in maximum or extreme greed, as you can see right here on the Bitcoin fear and greed index. If we just look at the Bitcoin cycle, or basically the altcoin season, basically those do not seriously correlate with Bitcoin. But this is one of the charts that we have been looking at, and we said was very important right here for Bitcoin, and to show us that this wasn't a top, that we should still continue to expect higher prices for Bitcoin, right? So in this cycle, we have been saying it right here that we could see the price of Bitcoin pushes high as the $104,000 level. Yeah, we could see some sort of consolidation at this level, probably a retest of that $58,000 level, which we have retested once, but we continue to expect higher prices right here for the price of Bitcoin, expecting higher price targets, right? So that is it for the update on Bitcoin today, or for the our weekly price prediction update. We have shown you that we are still expecting higher price targets for the price of Bitcoin according to a lot of our chart, especially the rainbow chart. The rainbow chart is currently on hold, and every time we were on hold, we usually see even more push to the upside right here for Bitcoin, right? So basically that's the update right here on Bitcoin. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.